A very happy morning to my cute little children. So what we are going to study today? आज हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Today's class is extremely important because our today's topic is revision for first semester assessment. And children, it is extremely important. So open your eyes, open your ears and pay attention here. Today's date 7th October 2020. Okay, so let's begin our class. So first we will see the syllabus and paper style कि क्या syllabus है और कैसा paper style आएगा. Okay, so let's see. Syllabus lessons 1 to 7. Paper pattern. Everything is given here. See, question number, question type, number of question and marks. इसमें सब कुछ cover हो गया. First question will be multiple choice question. You will have to tick the correct option. Individually, it will be of 1 marks and number of questions will be 5. So, they will come off 5 marks. Second, fill in the blanks. Individually 1 mark, number of question 5, so total 5 marks. Match the following 5 marks, name the following 5 marks, answer the following in 1 sentences 4 marks, answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. This carries 2 marks each and total will be of 8 marks. Label the diagram. Number of question 3, marks 3. Okay children, so let's begin. Now children, before seeing the sample paper, let's see what are the guidelines and instructions for you. The first one, write in a clear, neat and legible handwriting. Your answer paper should be very neat and clean. Second, write the test in the supplementary sheets. You will have to write the answers in supplementary sheets. Third, write the following details, name, class, date and subject in your sheet. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? On your answer sheet, the first thing you will do is you will write your name, subject, date and class. Write the questions also in your sheets. आपको questions भी copy करने हैं. Fifth, the photo shot or PDF of the supplementary sheets has to be submitted before or by 8 PM on the day of the assessment itself. यानी जब आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर मिले आपको हमें फोटोशॉट या PDF भेज देना है उसी दिन रात 8 बजे से पहले. More preferable is PDF, but if you are not able to send the PDF, you can also send the photoshot. So these were the instructions and guidelines. Now we will move towards sample paper. Check the correct option. First question and it carries 5 marks. First, a newborn baby has dash 20 teeth, 30 teeth or no teeth. Remember this question? We have done this in revision also. I had shown you a baby's face. क्या babies को दांत होते हैं? Do they have teeth? No. So our answer is no teeth. Then always use dash to cross the road. Footpath, zebra crossing or road divider. We should always cross the road on zebra crossing. Third, we wear clothes in dash. We wear cotton clothes in dash. Winter, summer or rain. ये भी हमने रिवीजन में पढ़ा था. बताओ, what is the answer? We wear summer clothes in, we wear cotton clothes in summer season. Fourth and fifth is your homework. Now we will go to the second question, that is fill in the blanks. the blanks, 5 question and it carries 5 marks. First, leaf blade helps a leaf to trap the dash. Leaf blade. Leaf helps in trapping of what? Sunlight or water? Water is absorbed by roots and leaf helps in trapping of sunlight. So our answer is sunlight. Soil is composed of dash, sand and clay particles. Loam or gravel. Loamy soil is a type of soil and gravel is a constituent of soil. Yaad karo, we did that experiment. So our answer is gravel. 3, 4 and 5 is your homework. Then comes true or false. We should play on roads. क्या हमें रोड पे खेलना चाहिए? Do you play on roads? Is this true or false? It is false. So I am writing F here. We should avoid eating green vegetables. क्या हमें green vegetables नहीं खानी चाहिए? We should obviously eat green vegetables because they are having many nutrients and vitamins. So this is also false. Then third and fourth is your homework. Now let's move ahead. Match the following. Now see children, what you have to do here is column A, column B. आप बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हो? You match like this. No, you don't have to do like this. It creates a mess in your question paper. So what you will do is in match the following, first you will write the questions. For example, clay soil. And what is the answer of clay soil? The answer of clay soil is can hold a lot of water, that is E. Right? So clay soil के आगे आप answer number E लिखोगे. That is can hold a lot of water. This is how you have to answer match the following. Then comes name the following. First, name the process by which green plants make their food. Come on, tell which is the process by which green plants make their food. They make their food by the process of photosynthesis, and I will write photosynthesis with green color. Why green color? Because plants are green in color. And why they are green in color? Because they are having a pigment chlorophyll, and because of the chlorophyll they are able to trap sunlight, and because of that sunlight and water they are able to perform photosynthesis. So here the answer is photosynthesis. Then name any one method of food preservation. Name any one method of food preservation. Drying, roasting, then using food preservatives. All these are examples of food preservation. Name the microbe that causes ringworm. This is your homework. 3, 4 and 5. Then comes question number 6. Answer the following in short. What is roughage? Why do we wear clothes? Which state of matter has definite shape and volume? Which part of the leaf helps in breathing? So which part of the leaf helps in breathing? The tiny pores present on the leaf known as stomata helps in breathing. Which state of matter has definite shape and definite volume? It is solid. Answer the following in 2 or 3 sentences. Pay attention here children. यहाँ आपको आंसर बहुत छोटा नहीं लिखना है. You have to elaborate the answer in 2 to 3 sentences. What is the role of stomata in photosynthesis? During dinner, Manisha always serves water to everybody in the family. How many glasses of water should we drink daily? We should drink 6 to 7 glasses of water each day. What value do we learn from Manisha? We learn the value of caring. Why are teeth important to us? What precautions should you take to avoid electric shocks? Give any 2. These 2 are your homework. Then comes label the following. Label the parts of the leaf correctly. It is of 3 marks and 3 labels are given to you. This is also your homework. And then when you finish your answer sheet, you will have to click the photos and send me on my WhatsApp number. So children, for today this was it. Study very well, be happy, keep smiling. May God bless you.